This is a complete AI channel on YouTube, and according to Social Blade, they make somewhere between $4,300 to way up to $70,000 a month. Who wants to do it? Everybody wants to do it. So let's see how they make their videos. This is one of the highest viewed videos, 13 million views.
A boy was chased by the police. He ran very quickly into their house. His older brother saw him, his shirt and hands stained with blood. He was shocked. His brother was shaking in fear and could not.
Did you notice something? This video has nothing but still images and a very little transition, like zoom in, zoom out, fade in, fade out.
What are you doing? No, brother, no! They took him away.
It has a story and AI voice. That's it. Can we do it? Let's try. Before we begin, at any point of this training, if you feel it's too complicated and you don't have time, then there is a 99% done for you option. Go to this link or scan this barcode and watch this free training video. In this free training, we show you step by step what we do and how we help busy beginners like yourself earn $500, $200, $200, $500, $300 commissions like this. This is the link to the training. You will also find the link in the description and in the bio. For this training, we are going to use Claude and ChatGPT. You can use any of your favorite AI application. Once you implement the prompt will automatically work for you and ask you this question. Do you want to create a story from any reference, like a specific story or a video transcript or historical event, or maybe another piece of content? The second option, to make it easy, let's choose completely original. Choose 2 and hit enter. Now AI is writing a completely unique story. You don't need to worry about copyright infringement or anything crazy of that sort. And the story is going to be 312 words. Now AI is writing image prompts based on this story, and it also tells you where to start showing this image and where to end showing this image. Okay, we are already at 30th image. Now, after 33 image and the complete blueprint written in front of you on a silver platter, you did not need to do anything yourself. Now, step number 1, I'm going to copy the whole story and go to my favorite text-to-voice software, 11labs.io. I selected one of my favorite voice artists and click Generate Speech.
Every night, 8-year-old Maya watched her father disappear into the darkness of the abandoned subway tunnels beneath their crumbling city. "Where does Daddy go?" she'd ask her mother, who would only smile sadly and whisper, "He's keeping us safe, little star." The city had been without power for 3 months. The generator that kept their neighborhood's hospital running was failing, and without it, dozens would die, including Maya's baby brother.
Okay, it's going to be a 1 minute 41 second long video. I'm going to download the audio file. Now I will choose the first image prompt, Control C, go to ChatGPT, put this prompt right here and hit enter. ChatGPT is creating the first image. Wow, that's how it looks. Now the second image prompt and hit enter. The second image is ready. It's a bit dark, but the story is a little dark. But there is a problem. There is always someone trying to betray you, someone trying to stop you from growing. While drawing image number 6, ChatGPT says it violates their content policies. I don't know what that means. So I will go to one of ChatGPT's biggest competitor, QuenChat AI. Chinese like image generation model. Select your favorite ratio 9:6, and I'm gonna copy the prompt of image 6, put here and type draw. You can also test grok.com. Grok is great and it's free as well. Click create image, paste the prompt, hit enter. Well, this is the image, not bad at all. And this is by Grok, not bad either. The only problem is quality of the image. It's 720p, and I want to edit the image by mentioning, make sure it's 1080 pixel image and send again. Now let me download again. Nope, it's not bigger. So for that, I'm going to DeepSeek and let's try. Unfortunately, I don't think DeepSeek can draw. Note, since I can't generate images, this is the conceptual breakdown that I don't need. By the way, the images that Grok created are even smaller than QuenChat. So I will just use what I got from QuenChat. This is enough. We know money is a byproduct of giving first. And that's why we make these videos every single day. And we make them as valuable as possible so you get inspired and inshallah you get results. If one person get results, one person get inspired, we will consider ourselves, our effort as successful. But we cannot do it without your help. we need you to engage in this video, like this video, ask questions in the comments, share with your friends and family, and important, subscribe to our channel. If you engage, then YouTube will consider our content as important content and they will share with more and more people, and inshallah more and more people will get the benefit. And if that happens, you will also be the part of the blessings. So go ahead, like, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe as well. We have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days, and we cannot do it without your help. I'll give you a second to take action. Done? Let's go. Now I'm in a trouble. ChatGPT is not creating my images. QuenChat creating images that are not acceptable. DeepSeek doesn't create image. And Grok kinda low quality. So the only option left for me is to buy a subscription of Leonardo.ai or Midjourney or something else in the market like Artistly. They look pretty cool, but the full version costs $147. Come on, don't be frustrated. Have a little shame. You're using free AI. You're using AI completely free. So instead of complaining, hey, it doesn't work, it's bad, try to modify the prompt and generate the image again. Now we are using CapCut to make our video. First off, we're going to upload all the images. Second, we're going to drag and drop the audio file. This is our reference. The first image should start here and end at Into the Darkness. Let's add the first image by clicking. By the way, we need to make sure the ratio is 9:16 and drag the image to fit the canvas. Now let's play.
Every night, 8-year-old Maya watched her father disappear into the darkness of the
It should be into the darkness. So I'm going to drag the image to up to here in the darkness. And then I will add the darkness image right here. Yes. And it should be up to of the abandoned
subway tunnels beneath their crumbling city.
Let's keep it up to here. We can adjust later. And here we want to add the third image.
Where does Daddy go? She'd ask her mother.
Keep it up to here and add the next image.
Who would only smile sadly and whisper, he's keeping us safe, little star.
That's the end of this image. And we will add the next one.
The city had been without power for 3 months. The generator that kept their neighbor...
Where is the generator image? Here is the generator.
The generator that kept their neighborhood's hospital running was failing.
We need to add the hospital image now.
And without it, dozens would die.
And here, the image will change to the little child,
including Maya's baby brother on life support.
Now, we want to end our video here, so we're going to split this audio file, delete it, because this is just a demo to show you guys how to do it. Now we want to add transitions, and here is how to do it. Click transitions and click zoom and type zoom, hit enter. We can see some previews here. Probably just try, select the first image and add the first one. Okay, now let's have a quick look. Yes. Select the second image and add another zoom transition. Done. Looks good. Here we go. The third one. Yes, looks good. You don't need to be way too creative. Just select a relevant one. That's it. And here we go, the last one. Now all I'm going to do is to click export, select a destination folder, click open and click export. And actually the video is ready. Let's go.
Every night, 8-year-old Maya watched her father disappear into the darkness of the abandoned subway tunnels beneath their crumbling city. Where does Daddy go? She'd ask her mother, who would only smile sadly and whisper, he's keeping us safe, little star. The city had been without power for 3 months. The generator that kept their neighborhood's hospital running was failing, and without it, dozens would die, including Maya's baby brother on life support.
That looks good, right? Okay, now you can continue adding all the images, match them with the audio, add relevant transition. You can add captions just by selecting captions, click templates. Let's select auto captions, click generate. You want to design it, so click templates on the right hand side. As far as I remember, you have to select all the texts, then click text here and select the templates and choose the one, probably this one. I like this and this, both. This looks good. Now let's go export again. And here we go.
Every night, 8-year-old Maya watched her father disappear into the darkness of the abandoned subway tunnels beneath their crumbling city. Where does Daddy go? She'd ask her mother, who would only smile sadly and whisper, he's keeping us safe, little star. The city had been without power for 3 months. The generator that kept their neighborhood's hospital running was failing, and without it, dozens would die, including Maya's baby brother on life support.
Yes. Does it look like a lot of work? Well, it is a lot of work. And if it is a lot of work for you, then solution is the 99% done for you program. Go to this link, watch this video, and possibly make money like these guys. We will do 99% of the work for you. You enjoy making money. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.